Hello everyone. So in this video, our team will be presenting our activity recognition project using machine learning. And for this demonstration, we chose the brush teeth movement. And then we will explain to you how we collected the data, how we process it, and then show the predicted result from our model. Without further ado, let's do it.
Throughout this lab, we utilized the reference table we created in the previous lab and ran it through the Classification Learner app in MATLAB. From here, we were able to select aspects of the table and run them through trained models to receive the confidence output for the various activities. Once we were able to determine which model we wanted to use, we then collected data on our phones of us completing these activities. These activities included brushing your teeth, drinking and pouring a glass of water, lying down in a bed, and walking. The data that was taken was the real-time acceleration in the X, Y, and Z directions. And we were able to then export this data back into MATLAB and run a script to determine which data collection set responded to which activity. In the script, it was important to import the data and then convert it into units of G from meters a second squared, as the units of the reference table that trained the model were in units of G. After the data was put into a test data table, we were able to use the lpredict function to predict which activity was which. Our model was able to predict 3 out of the 5 correct, which we were overall happy with.
However, in the end, our model that we selected cannot predict the brush teeth activity correctly. Predicted as walking. This may be caused by the orientation of brushing teeth that has the same movement and orientation as walking, that it may confuse the model. And the second reason might be because of the X, Y, and Z axis that is not aligned with the phone consistently, as because when it moves, it may change the angle of the phone, and yeah, it may confuse the model. Overall, this was a very interesting lab. We were able to utilize machine learning to determine various activities from the real-time data. That's all from us. Thank you.